Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you the best Discord servers for dropshipping. These communities can help you grow your business, connect with like-minded entrepreneurs, and learn from experts. So, to find the top dropshipping Discord servers, head over to discord.org, and here you can easily search for servers based on tags. So, I'm using the tag dropshipping. So, let's search for dropshipping and let's see what you can find. First up, we have a bunch of uh, servers here. So let me talk about ecom trust. So this is a private group. It's perfect for serious e-commerce entrepreneurs. It's a place to network with others who are building successful online stores. Just be warned, self motion is banned. Now another one I have seen is the Maven port here. This is a must join for anyone serious about scaling their business. It's owned by an entrepreneur who's hitting over 50K per day in daily Shopify sales. Here you can network with members who generate 20K to 30K per day using Facebook ads. Another great server is Dream Designers. So let me quickly find it. That's one. So then I actually thought it was here. So that was a very good server as well with tons of support and theme, customization, plugin, and more. The servers change from time to time here. So for example, learn dropshipping. This one is a good service as well. It provides guides, marketing strategies, supply recommendations, and a collaborative community to help you grow your dropshipping business. Lastly, check out Ecom Society. This is a popular one. It's a free community and it's full of passionate entrepreneurs offering networking opportunities, success stories, and collaboration spaces for anyone looking to succeed in e-commerce. Those are just a few of the best Discord servers for dropshipping at the moment. And whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, these communities have something to offer. Check them out and start networking today.